Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your account details and server settings so Outlook can authenticate correctly. Next, restart Outlook and open it in safe mode to see if add-ins block mail flow. Once done, run the Office Quick Repair from Programs to fix broken program files. It fixes common startup errors without reinstalling. Make sure to note any error codes shown. If Quick Repair doesn't resolve it, move immediately to Mailbox and Data File Repair Steps to restore send/receive functionality. You now tackle data-level problems by repairing corrupted files. First, run scan PSD. exe on your PSD. It fixes folder table inconsistencies that break indexing and send/receive. Once done, close Outlook and rename the OSD to force a fresh sync from the server. This resolves cache corruption. Next, disable add-ins you identified in safe mode because one bad add-in can block background processes. If synchronization is slow, compact the data file and check mailbox size, quotas to prevent repeats. You finish by building a clean environment. Create a new Outlook profile and re-add your accounts to eliminate profile corruption. Then test sending and receiving. If issues persist, run an online repair or reinstall Office to replace damaged components. Make sure mail flow works across webmail to narrow scope. One key troubleshooting tip: temporarily disable antivirus and firewall or test on a different network. These often block server connections and mimic Outlook failures. If that fixes it, reconfigure exceptions and resume normal security.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.